Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making colorful, low-carb keto gelatin treats that are not only fun to look at but also perfect for your keto lifestyle. These vibrant treats are sugar-free, low-carb, and super easy to whip up. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 1 packet of sugar-free blue raspberry gelatin, 1 packet of sugar-free lime gelatin, 1 packet of sugar-free lemon gelatin, 1 packet of sugar-free cherry gelatin, 4 cups boiling water, divided, 4 cups cold water, divided, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup unsweetened coconut milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional: stevia or monk fruit sweetener for extra sweetness. Directions: begin by preparing each flavor of sugar-free gelatin one at a time. In a bowl, mix 1 packet of gelatin with 1 cup of boiling water until fully dissolved. Stir in 1 cup of cold water. Then pour the mixture into a square dish and refrigerate until set, approximately 30 minutes. While the gelatin is chilling, prepare the creamy layer by combining heavy cream, coconut milk, vanilla extract, and sweetener, if needed. Once the first layer is firm, gently pour a thin layer of the creamy mixture on top and refrigerate until firm, around 20 minutes. Repeat the process for the remaining colors, alternating between clear and creamy layers, allowing each layer to fully set before adding the next. After all layers are completed, slice into squares or bars and serve chilled. Prep time: 20 minutes. Active chilling time: 4 hours. Total time: 4 hours 20 minutes. Kcal: 45 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 16 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.